So what exactly causes back pain? The back is a complicated structure of bones, joints, ligaments, and muscles. You can sprain ligaments, strain muscles, ruptured discs, and irritate joints, all of which can lead to back pain. While sports injuries or accidents can cause back pain, sometimes the simplest of movements, for example, picking up a pencil from the floor, can have painful results. In addition, arthritis, poor posture, obesity, and psychological stress can cause or complicate back pain. Back pain can also directly result from disease of the internal organs, such as kidney stones, kidney infections, blood clots, or bone loss. So what exactly causes back pain? Just take your pick. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.